Max. Coming around.
Okay. Next one. See if we can get something else here.
Ooh. What do you think, Max?
You don't run them for a while and you get kind of... Can you see it? You like that?
Get next to Grandpa, Matt. Get over there next to Grandpa.
There you go. There you go. In your hand, huh? Yeah.
All right, now.
Choo-choo. Baby, what do you think of the choo-choos? Choo-choos. Here they come. Here they come, Caitlin. Here comes the choo-choo.
Here comes Caitlin.
Here comes the choo-choo. Yay!
Alright, turn that off. That's different track.
Wow, Max. What do you think of all that? Yeah, wow, look at that. You think Scotty should come here, huh, Max? Yeah. Caitlin climbing up crappy stairs. Going up, uppy, uppy, up. Up, up, up. Whoa. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Oh, yay, you made it. Yay. Caitlin Rose. Hey. No, no, you stay there. Wave bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.